Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the Zoom assignment key of Junior 10th, class Junior 10. The topic given to you is the climate of India seasons. So what are the seasons? There are 4 seasons: winter, summer, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Out of these 4 seasons, what are the features? So the first question is asked based upon the features of the seasons. What are the features that they have given? The first one is that weather is warm. The first one is weather is warm. The second one is that there are differences in the temperatures of day and nights are varying much. They are varying much. So what is the answer? The answer is winter. The first one is winter season. The second one is what are the features of the October heat? Features of the October heat. So October heat we feel high humidity, high temperature, at the same time very discomfort due to the sultriness. So all the 3 options are there, hence the answer is fourth one, that is all are correct. And fifth one, the third one is where do we experience the low winds? What are low winds? Low winds are the desert winds or the local winds that are moving from the desert area of Rajasthan. Hence we will be experiencing in the northern plains. The third answer is the first one, that is northern plains. And the fourth one is when do we experience cyclones in the Bay of Bengal? When do we experience cyclones in the Bay of Bengal? Usually we feel the cyclones in the Bay of Bengal during the retreating monsoon season. So this is the fourth one. And what is the rain shadow region of southwest monsoon season? The rain shadow region of southwest monsoon season is Chennai. Chennai is the rain shadow region during this particular period. And when do we experience the western disturbances? Western disturbances are experienced in the season of the winter. So these are the objective type questions. Now coming on to the descriptive answers. See what are the first 3 questions. 1 mark questions are 3, no? So what are western disturbances? Western disturbances means the rainfall or the cyclones the low pressure system that develops in the Mediterranean Sea will flow onto these northern parts of India and causes some rainfall, and we call this as the western disturbances. And why we call them as western disturbances? Mediterranean Sea is towards the west of our country, hence we call that as a western disturbance. So western disturbances originate in the Mediterranean Sea and flow towards the India causing rainfall. These are called as the western disturbances. So the second one is what is the second one? When do we experience the October heat? When do we experience the October heat? We experience the October heat in the month of October. So what is the season of this October? During the southwest monsoon ends by September and the retreating monsoon season starts from October onwards. So October heat is experienced during the retreating monsoon season period. And the next one is what are mango showers? Before the starting of the southwest monsoon, we will get a little amount of the rainfall due to the high intensity of the temperatures, and we call this as this particular drizzling of this rainfall, we call that as the mango showers. Why these are called as the mango showers? Because they help a lot in the ripening of the mangoes in Andhra Pradesh. That is the reason in Andhra Pradesh this rainfall before the onset of the southwest monsoon, they are called as the mango showers, because these showers they help the ripening of the mangoes. So that is the 9th question. And the 10th question. The 10th question is explain about the onset of the monsoons. The monsoons, they originate in the southern hemisphere, that is southeast monsoon winds. The southeast monsoon winds that originate in the southern hemisphere, they cross the equator. When they enter into this northern hemisphere after crossing the equator, they turns into southwest direction and enters from Kerala into India. That is during the period of June first week. So the southeast monsoon winds in the southern hemisphere, they changes into southwest monsoon, they enters into Kerala by June 1st and they turns into the southwest monsoon spreads throughout the country by July 1st. Like this, the heavy amount of the rainfall is observed during the southwest monsoon season except in Chennai, because Chennai is the rain shadow region. Right? Now coming on to the next question, that is explain about the retreating monsoon and the features of the summer. What are the features of the summer? Summer season, it is usually very hot. The temperature starts rising from the month of the March and it will be to the highest peaks by the end of the May. And during this particular period, low pressure is experienced in each and every area, and especially in the northern plains, the temperatures will be crossing 40 degrees Celsius. Average is 40 degrees Celsius is crossed by the end of this May. And this causes very severe blowing of heavy, hot and dry winds. This particular season is very specific because summer is called as a starching summer. So already we are experiencing now. Right children, tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Thank you.